Good morning, guys. It is currently 8:43 in the morning. I'm out here with my aunt. It is freaking raining. My hair is a mess. I'm sweating like crazy, but we're about to walk over the Benjamin Franklin Bridge here in Philly. It is the bridge that leads from Philly to New Jersey, so we're about to walk over there for exercise. And you said it took about an hour? About an hour to walk over the bridge and an hour to walk back. So we're about to do that now. And yeah, let's get it. So guys, we made it to the bridge. It's a little loud, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but you basically just walk over it. So guys, we made it over the bridge. Please excuse my hair. I'm looking super crazy right now, but we made it to the other side. It took us about 36 minutes to walk over the bridge. So I just did a little stretch. And then we're about to head back over the bridge. So yeah, it's gonna be like an hour in total. Yeah, we're about to head back. So I'll see you guys once I get back over the bridge. Yo, look at my freaking hair. Got caught in the rain and I was sweating. But I'm at Dunkin' right now. I'm about to get my coffee.
Good morning, may I help you?
Hi, I ordered online for Samara.
Samara, yes, I'm good.
All right. Gotta get my iced coffee. So it is now 10:30 in the morning. Our walk was great. I enjoyed it a lot. Like, that was a really good workout and I just feel really good. So I have a few things on the agenda today. I'm gonna see if I can get a car wash and clean out the inside of my car because it's sticky as fuck from iced coffee that was spilled in my car. And then later on today, me and my line sisters are driving over to Jersey to my other line sister house, and we're gonna have like a little seafood boil / cookout or whatever at her house. So those are the two things I have to do today. So yeah, I'm about to get my iced coffee, go back in the house, probably fix my hair and just chill, and then go get a car wash, and then later, like I said, go to my line sister house. So yeah, I'm about to, oh, and I gotta go to Target, so I have to go to Target because I need some socks for the look that I'm going for today. So I gotta go to Target or somewhere to get some socks. This don't look how it normally looks. Maybe I gotta mix it up, but why didn't they mix it up for me? But anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all later. I'm about to. So guys, me and Malia are at Target. So I gotta come get these socks that I was telling y'all about. But anyway, y'all, this is my sister Malia. For y'all who don't know her, my baby sister. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello, vlog.
So you have to go in here. Hopefully I find some socks, and I'm probably going to buy something else because that's what you just do when you go in Target. You just buy shit that you don't need. So yeah, I really be smiling at people behind my mask, huh? No, I don't feel anything. Oh yeah, it is. It was raining earlier. But I really be smiling at people behind my mask, thinking they can see me. Forget I got a damn mask on. To the sock aisle. Oh, they got some pretty dresses in here. I gotta look over there too. I don't know where the hell I'm gonna find socks at. Right, and the store is different now. Like, it's not how it used to be. Oh, I gotta ask somebody. Oh, I see socks right here. I hope I find what I'm looking for. Target is really a store where you really spend more money than you come in here to spend. Like, I'm looking at these lip plumping glosses by e.l.f. And I can't decide what color I want. I think I want this one. Or this one. This is like a, it's called Pink Cosmo. I don't know, guys. I need help. I'm just gonna get this. I'm not gonna overdo it today. I'm just gonna get a lip gloss and get these socks. I found some socks I'm gonna wear. And then I'm gonna get out of here because I will end up spending a lot of money in here, and your girl got goals, so I can't be spending all recklessly. Hey y'all, it's a little bit later. It is 4:40 in the afternoon. I did not wash my car today because I didn't feel like it, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But right now, I'm about to go link up with my Linesisters. Actually, let me put the address in the GPS. And y'all, my freaking face is beat. Like, this is a good ass makeup day. Like, I'm feeling myself or whatever. And I gotta show you guys my outfit that I was telling y'all about with these socks. It came out really cute. Alright, let me put the address in. Alright, so I'm about to drive y'all, so I'll see y'all once I meet up with my Linesisters.
Hey, you know we out here every day with it. I'm sure we had it.
Say hi to the vlog, guys. Thank you.
Hello.
B. Hi, B.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I'm gonna take some pictures. Cute the apartment is.
I'm so excited.
This is so cute. Look at this. My DIY sister. Yeah.
Look at this bathroom.
Everything is so cute.
She done hung up her paint.
And y'all, she upholstered these couches. Yes, B. Super cute.
Really on.
Well, I guess I should take my tour because everybody else took a tour.
Look, she's surprised she gonna get on this scale.
Oh, look at this bathroom. This is cute.
Ballin' B, got a time.
Yeah.
Let me get my phone. It's an error.
No, it didn't. It did.
Okay,
Oh, this is cute.
This is real cute. Oh, y'all got
Another
two
bathroom.
Oh, she got two
Oh, look at this shower.
We acting like we don't
Yeah,
know.
this is my get money system.
But this is nice, BB.
Yes.
Don't get me eating a cookie.
Wow.
It's good.
I'm about to give me a cookie. But let me know when you want to, you know, it's a little something, whatever. The freaking balcony, y'all. Who you know? Who sister you know? Living lavish like this, because I'm not. It's cool. Once I get to the bag, it's going to be fun.
Oh, BB's. I didn't
Yes.
I bought it. Remember I was
Chefing it up or whatever.
Hungry.
Thanks, B. Oh my God, I feel so loved.
This black place I found here.
Yes.
Oh, you gonna make this?
Yo, this food that be made. It's popping, okay? How it taste, Tam?
Ooh, child. Thank you, Jesus.
Son, how it taste?
That's fine. More than cheese.
Look at this, that big guy. Fancy. Who you know?
He got all the gadgets. Yeah.
Oh, wow. I mean,
She's like,
y'all some bougie people.
You know how to unscrew it.
Yes. Child, I can't with y'all.
I'm gonna use my registry.
I'm gonna say,
Dude, y'all better get with it. This 2020.
okay. Well, tell the vlog what you making.
So I'm making my spiked pink lemonade honey. So I already got some lemons up in there. I'm doing the strawberries right now. And then I'll show you guys what's next in a few minutes.
Product of the drink, y'all. The final product of the drink. I can't wait to taste it. Oh, I gotta get outside. I gotta get it outside. Come on, Tim. Hurry, we'll go away. Don't, Tim. Don't fall. Y'all, look at the sky.
I should have told you.
It's beautiful. What? We gotta use the 5 thing, right?
I don't see no 5 on the ground.
Wait, where K car at? Oh, K car up here. Yes, ski to all my sorors with the AKA plates.
Like I with the marmalade. Not you. Oh yes, Susie. But I love his profile. With the yeah, get you all shook up, but don't blush. Just keep this on the hush. It's so pretty, right?
You know we leaving BB house a message. If
Yes,
there's no cups,
we did.
throw them in the trash.
That's my cup.
Who cup is
So
that?
we're about to leave, y'all. About to leave, B. We had so much fun, right, guys?
Yeah.
I'm freaking stuffed, like,
She gonna say yeah.
and I'm lit. I'm lit. Oh, hold on, I just thought of something. See y'all. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I got my Dunkin', and I'm here at my grandparents' house. I'm about to wash my car. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I didn't feel like it, and I ain't have enough time, so I'm about to do it today. So I have to walk into the house now, and I'm mad, y'all. Dunkin' fucked up my coffee today. A super long day. After I washed my car, I just chilled, and then I actually went grocery shopping. But now I am home, so I just wanted to end out this vlog, guys. So be sure to like, give this video a thumbs up, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe, join a gang or whatever. And like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.